What causes aircons to leak? Several reasons have come up showing why aircons leak in Singapore. This has become a challenge for most house owners. Here are some of the causes of aircon leakage. 1. Clogging of the drain line. Clogging of the drain line is what causes most aircons to clog. Clogging occurs as a result of accumulation of plant debris, growing mold and some different species of fungi among others. When these factors clog the drain line, there would be a delay in the flow of the units of water out of the aircon. 2. Improper installation of the air conditioner. When the air conditioner is not placed at a correct position, there is a high chance of leaking taking place. 3. Bad insulation of the aircon. When buying an air conditioner, you will notice that, at its back, there is an insulation fitted where the unit connect with the wall. When this insulation is faulty, it will result in the leaking of the aircon. 4. Low levels of refrigeration. It is important to note that, a low refrigerant will lower the pressure inside your air conditioner. This will in turn cause the coil to freeze. This will definitely result in a leak of the aircon. 5. Breaking of the condensate pump. A condensate pump is a device that is below the coils. Its work is to pump water properly and prevent any leakage. When the condensate pump is broken, there would be a leak. 6. Freezing of the evaporator coil. When you open the aircon, and you discover that frozen ice has accumulated inside, this results in water spilling over the drain pan. 7. Rusting of the drain pan. When there is a continuous mix of air, oxygen, and water, this results in rusting. The drain pan is made up of metal, it is easier for it to rust. As a result, there will be spilling, causing a leakage. 8. Poor maintenance of the air conditioner. It is important to clean your aircon from time to time, ensure that the right personnel checks for you if there are any problems. Ensure all the parts are working properly. 9. Leakage in the condenser coil. The condenser unit is located outside your house, it is more likely to accumulate dust and debris which may lead to blockage. Finally, it is important to know very well how to take good care of your aircon. Singapore has a tropical climate and that is why aircons leak. Always find a qualified personnel to take care of your aircon.